In a world where everything was stored on the blockchain, even your breakfast choices were public. One day, Bob decided to prank his friend Alice by uploading a fake transaction. Alice ate 100 pancakes for breakfast. Alice, seeing this, laughed and said, "Bob, you know I can't eat more than two." But the blockchain was immutable, and soon everyone believed Alice was a pancake eating champion. At a party, someone asked, "How do you eat so many pancakes?" Alice grinned, with syrup and a sense of humor. Bob chuckled, "Guess the blockchain's got a taste for tall tales."